Having a good life is an aspiration of any human being. Although the quality of life cannot be evaluated only by economic indicators, it is evident that income and wealth play an important role in almost every aspect of our life. Not only allow people to make choices as they wish and to protect themselves against risks and unexpected situations, wealth is also related to social welfare since it is linked with investment in education, health, security. Based on income, people can be classified into the upper class or the rich, the middle class, the working class, and the lower class or the poor. By comparing the wealth among this group, we can explore income inequality. During the last 35 years, Vietnam has become a member of middle-income countries with a GNI per capita of 2,660 USD in 2020. The number of rich people is accelerating. It is estimated that the increase in Vietnam's extremely rich people will be the world's third fastest. This number will reach 753 by 2024, almost double that of 2019. The perception of wealthiness is also associated with attitudes towards the rich. In Vietnam, the hostility against the rich may arise from the inappropriate behavior of some rich people who are showing off and having scandalous relationships. Rich people may also be hated because many people assume that they get rich on taxpayers' money by utilizing their informal connections. This change in people's perception of the rich could fuel economic growth and reduce social inequality. The perception of the rich can be affected by different factors such as economic background, culture, generation features, and personal characteristics. In turn, perception of the rich determines people's motivation and efforts to become rich. Given the golden population structure of Vietnam with a large number of young working people who are eager to work hard and confront challenges, understanding people's perception of the rich and how this perception shapes their efforts to work, earn, and become rich is important for the policymakers to design appropriate plans, policies, and incentives to motivate the population to work hard and innovate to become rich and contribute to the prosperity of Vietnam. Faculty of International Economics is a faculty with many outstanding scientific research achievements in the dynamic environment of Foreign Trade University. Today, we would like to organize the workshop Perception of Wealth and the Rich Among Vietnamese People in order to provide insights into the effects of perception of wealthiness and the rich on the motivation of Vietnamese people to earn money and become rich. The partner for our workshop today is Frederick Naumann Foundation for Freedom, FNF. FNF was founded in 1958 under the father of Theodor Herzl, the first president of Federal Republic of Germany after World War II. The foundation operates in more than 70 countries with around 300 employees. It officially opened a country office in Yangon in 2013. In 2020, there were several conferences in planning regarding international integration between FNF and their partners in Vietnam. FNF is also engaged in organizing a field trip to Germany and the EU for Vietnamese officials to promote the strategic partnerships of the two countries. Knowing that FNF's primary goal is supporting their partners through research, conference speaking, and workshops, Faculty of International Economics Foreign Trade University hope that FNF can support more for our research in the near future. As we are geared towards interdisciplinary research and we want to cooperate with international organizations on joint research, we really hope to be able to receive support from Frederick Naumann Foundation. We appreciate the presence of different experts in our workshop today. Welcome all of you to our workshop, Perception of Wealth and the Rich Among Vietnamese People. Thank you.